evening, contestant number 2.
Good evening too, ma'am.
What are the major rules of gays in our society?
To make the people happy and to make our world colorful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, contestant number 2.
Thank you, Mr. Judge.
Hindi, lower. Ambot lang kung biologically kapag.
Which among the following do you agree most? First love never dies, or love is sweeter the second time around?
Our first, ladies and gentlemen, is first love never dies, because first love never dies. It's a first impression of every someone, to each and everyone, that you could never expect for something else beyond. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Here is your question. How can you make your parents proud of you? Again, how can you make your parents proud of you?
My parents make proud of me because I support my parents wisely. Not only that, all my relatives, all my friends, because I believe in saying that one man is loved for the rest of the life. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening, contestant number 5.
Good evening, ma'am.
What are the relevance of pageant like this to you and to the people?
Well, before I answer the question, I would like to greet you all a pleasant evening. Well, the relevance of the pageant to the people is the happiness. That's all, and I thank you.
My question is this. Who is your role model and why?
Okay, sir. Before I'm going to answer your question, let me ask you back, role model in what? Please be specific.
In all ways.
Okay, since you are a nursing student, who is your role model?
Of course, the role model of all nurses is no other than Florence Nightingale, the mother of all nurses. I think you're a nurse, sir, and I think you know that. And I hope you are satisfied with my answer. Are you agree or disagree?
I agree, but
Can you expound?
Why?
Expound.
Because, am I going to discuss regarding about the book, or it's because I'm going to discuss what I think? I mean, my own opinion.
your own opinion.
Okay. I want the people know that Florence Nightingale is the one, or the mother of all nurses, because she helped during the war. And I choose her to be my role model because I want to help people. I want to help people in my community and in this country, because I know someday if I will be successful in my chosen career, I'm going to help my family, and as well as to put up business to help other people and to employ them. That would be all, sir, and good evening.
Thank you very much.